Racing just is started. We have Nash break quickly at the start. Charming Santis on the outside. Lexibone and on the outside. Darak Mr. Universe in the middle. Whistler Ebox while Dear Jen is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Charming Santi by about 2 lengths. And in second is Nash. 5 lengths for the back. In third comes Mr. Universe. Darak. Now moving up on the outside, Lexibone comes next, then followed over by Whistler, Dear Jan, Wally Box. Now racing and less back to the leader. We have Charming Santi maintaining a 3 lengths lead, and in second is Nash trying to get closer. The winter is Darak. Then next online is Mr. Universe, Lexibone, Dear Jan, Whistler, and a long way back to Ebox, who's still racing and less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Charming Santi by about 5 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Direct Lexibone as they swing for room. We have Charming Santi followed by Direct Lexibone is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have entry number 2 Charming Santi followed by entry number 5 Lexibone, and finally Charming Santi, Lexibone, Direct, Nash, then comes Dear Jen.
Talagang parang hinihigop sa meta itong si Patty Dilemma.